Enlarge the given shape by a scale factor of 2 with point A as the center of enlargement. So this is worded quite interestingly. I have to assume that point A, which is here, is the center of enlargement. So for this particular problem, the center of enlargement is not an extra point in the diagram. But again, it doesn't really matter where the center of enlargement is, you just count from there. So in this particular case, if we are going to assume that A is the center of enlargement, how do I get from the center of enlargement to A, if I'm going to first work with point A? Well, A doesn't move. So this is not only point A, it's also A dash. How do I get from A to B? So again, we do our x-axis move and then our y-axis move, right? So let's just do that. So do some counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, 1 down. That's scale factor of 1. So repeat it for scale factor of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 down. So very easily, this point here is B dash. Okay, I return now again to the center of enlargement, which is point A, and work out how to enlarge point C. So how do I get to C? 1 across and 1, 2 down. 1 across, 1, 2 down. And so yes, I know that right here we have point C dash. So all I have to do now, theoretically anyway, is line them up and draw the enlarged triangle. There we go. Job done.